no maybe what I'm fighting. It should be Koso and I need to not to insult the man, but I was saying make come home some kakra. It's a can life sa papa bi na e fe no evangelist Adele so hwan no em so onim abrabo mu asem onim I don't know yeah nkofo kasa wabodam but let me feel say e onu an life me jane this is not the first time me mon shine koju no so na me manenya aware say me ma bre wo wiase o ena ewiase sensatie nyina anyepe a eka onfa saa ni suban no entina broche na onya obi mani nda na chi kra te se oba no fa ka di pe bia onfa mfa ni pa na estate no me feel say oh say na junior say no any issue the obeka bia obi anka but when it comes to me ma obi ngira ho ka me ma ho asemboni Adele, whoever you call yourself, tell me won't me ban let me show. Let me akolakra. I had my son when I was in school. So me can your mama fema. Wo won't mean femu 1 minute. And it's a wo nyame ya cho na wo de obi aye Illuminati no obi aye okota. It's fine. Na your abra bo na nyame aye bibia cho. But me pese uhu enne se na me feel so ye panyi bi a adwun bi wo wutim me feel say bia sabi eni se obi kasetia now they go ahead in kasa tia ni pane se de opebia what me anya kokodra kasante kasa e was social media say me Vivian J. Lawrence me ni me ba Clinton da wow you're done your outfit. Share, me mommy to me fubi or say your secret is your power. Ya fa bobra. And I senka nipa adwene pa da ni timo ye Ghana ni ofri krom ha bia na kofu froso de obi timi ne ba edawo but Ghana for de enka ye ho nipa odwene pa wo ni timo no a wo adwene da ni timo ye fe ni nipa no say nyina ya see ye social media like ya nyoma be ba bontin dio e was so we do bibia ba bontin ya de be go social media wa evangelist ade ka be na space e was so abetena so ukra na woni adwinga wotim no ubenya space abetena so abeka asem bia wo pe me asantini akola te se wo minim de enye mempemusuo sa asam na wo de wano kan ye no erade fa abone chewate what the can come who asempay e ko fa India ni ma mi bi picture e de betna ho e de beto page e be kan asem ni me Vivian J. me ye Illuminati really me come anu to mu because me hu ni say wo ye panyin na bia na maybe you are depressed. Maybe there's something wrong with you. And ya kakra no wadwin ba ho so a wo bejai what ka obi o wo ewiase nyina ho asomasi yesu kwa waka no watam obi an ka hwe ancho what did you matem one man kofo kwaya mo so did you matem kakra me ka manu tumu but e fa me ba ho de me ka manu tumu erade nyankopon no bo ye nyina no me so fa bo ne ncho asem we enne waka no se me ba Clinton die any wo afi really oye dieni papa mi busan obi am busan mame oya Ghana ni enti na busuafo ohwa ma papa yi saa ode ade yi dia akowom obi a hwe na de ya me yam se de woni pa bi wo hono ma de papa ni ye na obi a hu se sabi papa na dwene nye no ni pa bi su gini di etimi drop comment on no pay me nyoma mienu na me ditu ya se me di Yakopon hira ne na dumbi enti the last thing I would do ebe ma sa nyame hira na free me so ma numi bi aba me so no minye evangelist na me kasa wo ye nipa bi a wo ye panyin tie ni se ye kasa tia wo emua even kramai omo de kramai cross kramai no kra no kramai ba ko wo ba ho be ma na so munyini a ya fo mo cross wo mo ye ko fo bi foforo. So why are you talking like an animal? Why? Ubeko bia ho asma fa ne ho adi. Me say Nyankopon offer obon in church for saying that. Omo my friend me nyina say we be men cash no. Me sorry but man ka bibia e ka ho. Akwala bi ba be hu a papa wo man kwala bi adwenbone wo na wo ye illuminati wo na wo kire nkofo a kire bone nkola na e ba no wo sem na wo keka na wo hwe wo Facebook no mo different ideas aye de tena wiase e ye bone e de nkola na be ko bonsam je wo na wo de ma wo mo je se wo be ma kola bi ideas onu ba da ko enye hwe right nti so oni ni nia hye ma no akoke kaninia no no de ne se akoke kaninia na be wiache no ni nia na da right. And then your first and last are there. So be a unite. Oh, they all know you now. What said them one? My woman, man. What they obedient me that time? Okay. Oh, you know, money or monk home. Me what? Was you know, ma? The omo kind of unite no. Omo young your maybe social. Me ever since I've been in this movie industry, to be honest, or people who say that Chelsea Vivian Joe send a boyfriend. Asembia na wose dan no wo ya me busuani a wo pe me ba papa hwe me matete me ba o me ba klenti matete wo nyame kwan so to the extent say me nya hokwo kra me ba klenti ontimi metnam so ne me di nkomo me ba no offering to the extent say o test my mpo a obeso obisa ma dia o test me ni age so the oteno. Even me in my house, he doesn't even have any right. Some mimi will fear, or better me or the other, but me fear that they are me. Just say, "Be a mini home." Remember, I mean, entertain me. Remember, I mean, I mean, trust some shame trim. Minimum the yana, minim the end. Are there what for one some can, and young muscle. When you pussy and in a sabi, who yummy too much. Those that they are very close to me, omuni me ba papa, me bano oni me papa. Nyankopon was when me say, all fun will burn in town. No me bia e wa obata on the bag that subiano. Offers no me brown no muscle time spend. No me bia me say, obata ya ni trimu daba. Or young no my own brodam to someone. No me be a this side natural. And there, me see a neck, me flag them out. Obia sorry, I can't edit the no. Obia sorry, I know I shot the opia. Me was sentinel. There are certain things I don't even do like a star. Me your mother brave because me pay was them. And then suddenly be what bar. Yana, what's national dream? Always answer. Into your nipa na atlas ya dwun we na nipa ne pese sewa na no waka wan not to ya stars mean to know obi di ya bone kwa we keep quiet because at the end of the day no sir something bad bontin a nipa kwa no will be favored na nyanya e wase ye nipa kwa na tia ye na so ne mom no na man san nyina didi atem into asem high kwa no obi di ya bone kwa na me I just keep quiet and walk away because me nim tuna sem. I am more than angry because what come a massam. What him how many years am I power? So when you my busa doctors, you want money to walk when the bear man no money I walk. You got touch pen, no money in yamba. What him how many years, what him miscarriages, what him my son and a media of each other. Who be draw the come to mean some say from the mapo. Me say may God forgive you and your entire generation. Now, some now I want to can I net just say me peace me where I just have to come home because me be at the time that I'm sleeping with my son 20. What in my brother was and Unim brama bra was sakla no one. And now I bear must me yarina me da for man, me bow in a bit in your pajamana. Don't say anything about them. Miss Rao, now I am lucky. Sakawa Ghana ha, Miss Net, Vivian Joe, get to make us that I can no bet Siam. Ade, what's all that? See, me, what reason to say? As a one young Ghana, for some can't Casa, who can't somewhere everyone know. Would you read the white young Mowachi? I can't just say, Honey, Sian and when you. We use what's my young what can all your banner was for two for what assassin they say. Oh, really? Some men me back into the Timmy Anda. Near Woo Alfie. Dear, and you're careful. Because when man gets one, it's a crown your mother, and she's not aware. Yes. Evangelist Ladeo, Evangelist Ladeo, wine. Me say this should be your first and last. If you say anything about me, maybe you man. If you say anything about me, maybe you man. Me say me jaw the woman ya me. Oh, my person will provoke me pana and some of this yet cano yadaka. Me I me yanitino. I was so dear. Ni be yes piano. Ni pabumana. No, I wasn't born like that. Nah, I was never raised like that. Me ma no chia me said you can no to one no maybe home. Or chia me said you keep your secret because your secret is your power. Or chia me say you did not obi so and shasro. And now afa o laptop at snassi. And now sao ko bia ho asamo afa wadi. Ultimate general kasa beku Santana and the ba akoye sacrifice. Wo no ina bu nche na na for me sacrifice. Ade bi na wawo no, obodo obonya nim na to ho. Ade bi na wawo na, wuti akodewa no wa waye se, agbo bi na woto na omo atwa ho hia. O manager, there's nothing wrong with them. But yenya made, wo be gina ho be bie wano abekasa me back Clinton da. Let me tell you something you don't know and you need to know now. Me ba na me wono no. Me were 15 years na work away. Me won 7 months and then papa bubu them. Ni papa sorry bien. Clinton almost said the papa is hot da. But I made a promise to the papa. I said I will take care of my boy and I will make sure. That is what I'm doing. I am his father. I am his sister. I am his mother. Me and baby. It is okay. What coming? Me ma brother who say me Clinton da. Na who cry so no bad wechi. Who ma me no papa ti mi wo no. Etu o ma who say na baba be ye. Ati mi ato aduane mo wadi ama. Obi abefo bet na broche na wo be ha ni padre. Na go say you poison wo na wusha. Na wo say you poison wo. Me grandma bre wo bi asema. Kwala na huru no. O shemeti na me say ska. O shemeti. Let me say this guy. I'm not saying the moon we are seeing now. The pure be illuminati. May I illuminati silly? Let me number cross home. Even this morning, I go for Sundays at the women. But I'm saying for another one. I do not make up. I will even make up to 5,000 Ghana cedis. And so my 150 more than 1 week. Muriana and the Manona illuminati. I won't say much. I never complain of a person who evangelist that they won't say. Starting for Bible, ne kind Bible no. Ne kachen ya kupo se oh mobo. No ye emwa adwene na da wutrim no mfiri wutrim. No ma woni packet be 6 months. I fi kwa de na adwene nche. Akola o be 6 months adwene fa 2-3 months an wakasa. Ne fa 2-3 asan wakasa. Ukasa ti se God ni ba na kasa ti se asante ni ba asante fo ya ne ya man na yenim dia ya yenim sunsan so e wo be masa who video na me send my outfit papa no the only thing on Sunday by is he's a fool honey men you know and I'm responding or to then extend my greetings to him Enti me fa me ba papa and met to social media because of me pebble to some web evangelist. We are me busyani. And now we are me busyani. Me bisa. Opa me ba papa hu na, woni me ba papa na your wild butch stupid man. What abroche ho no. Woni omutimi nya kwan to kwan. Wo fiti ya no at kwan. And what crash me them kwana. Obi to some web evangelist that be hu no with social media back can some for fan hunti. Tina me dey see no. Oye noble response say oye nipa. Papa bi che eti na me dey see no. Me person nipa bi ti say wo e be ka de opa bi afa na ho because oye noble man wa bobra afa na ho ti say wo nti no eti na me dey see no e ka nipa bi omo dom ye omo kanyan sasem omo do omo bom paye ma no omo hu mi kuna omo hu me ba papa omo ba bom paye ma ye say be wie ye nkwa kam de na ba nipa fu bi ti say wo nti no e na me dey next year what yeah me say next time you can say anything you want to just go ahead and disgrace yourself. Now I go money masia. But when it comes to me, ma, don't try it. Me see asem na wo de wanu aka no evangelist. No me bia eto asem ne so bia no me see emma wo ne wo maso. E wo Yesu Kristo no boy yen no. Embra wo ne wo maso 100 times. No who said ye sitie. Ma wo ba nyini no wo no ne banga. Na wo tena se. Nya long life me hwe ne who said ye esitie. Baba dam na ntu obi antimi nka no. Before say we papa panyi bi, wo ka asem bia kwa kuma wudufo nyina ye minati na ye ko float. Kuma wudufo nyina ye okot. Na ye ye adwuma je 1,500, 2,000. Kuma wudufo nyina ye okot. Na ye free cars. Ye ye adwuma ne tia ne kakra. Wo say ye tima was okot. Really? I'm sorry if makoma akosha mama kasa bia mempea. Mo fancha me but asem we say no. Eja too much. Say nyankopon ma bra wa wo ne nyankopon wa che me bi wa sua me wa sumdwe mu dia ni dia bra me fie no. Wo dia die we be tag me mada me mani na ba to ho. Wo dia die we be da ho. Now, me papa ni twa ya kasa ne ma me na. Really, me free fear papa ma busiam no mi bia ni bodafo bia ni. Ma busiam me se bodafo bia ti sa wo evangelist ade. Biara nim. Ena me ma me kire me de ye ene de enye. Wasabu ba wonya nipa bi bebreme cancer papa fa hunti and I'm sorry and I'm doing me ho if you come on interviews I don't even so back checking me I mean granting interviews because at the end of the day no what you said and what you never said and no meka into dynamic me baby and I'm not supposed to come to the world and show obia how my because I'm what I make a first celebrity me no I'm just a normal somebody I'm living my normal, cool, simple life. And I will let you know what you need to know. I will show what I feel. That is what I will show on social media. I'm not going to show anything or going to brag or going to show off to please anybody. No, that's not my life. Because me kuna met na ho. What me of chin video bi e dia ba bet na ho. That thing na wo nya bi share ye no. Wo nya ni video share no was after party o. Anopa bu se fo share ya ade no. Ena ke ye bi ene ma me ye party we bia. Se ka se bia am I the only celebrity ma wo a wo fa ne ba papa mba ya na. Am I? Because me ba no adum binti. Papa ni shire bia wo mi sunti. Yesu Kristo hu mo bra wo hu me abo me ne me man hu ban abedu oya yarefo bi na ogina ha ka sa na beka ana na kopo adum akola na timi agina hot sa na wa be ye be ma kakra bi o wase me kakra bi ntino watimi atsena so wa konwam etimi agino ho say enne I am going to discuss Vivian Lawrence and her kids on social media to let people know that she's sleeping with her child. You are insane. You are sick. You are mad. Now was saying how mammy no papa poison we immediately see as I see now. No was saying how mammy no papa poison.